God, regular Roblox Bed Wars video. Today's video is Roblox Bed Wars, but we'll be doing an extreme race. So I challenged my best friend and one of them to do an extreme race with me. So we have here Ola. What the? Okay, she's my same country. She's my IRL friend, and also she's my friend, not anything else. Don't get that confused. Okay, Bunny, you could unmute. I'll just call her Ellie. Her name is Ellie, okay? Ellie, unmute.
Okay, well, hi.
Hi, okay, that's her right there. Anyways, so this is basically what we do. We have to do the obby, like as you can see here, ladies and gentlemen. Then you mine the lucky blocks, and you do the obby. Then you go there, then you go to the next stage. We both have 32 emeralds, so we could use the vending machines. Anyways, now my talking. Let's just do the obby. Let's go. Let's go. Literally.
Okay, I got it, but I'm gonna die, I think.
You're not, probably. This is hard, okay. I did it. Okay, so which one are you select? I want this.
This one. Okay, I'll go this one.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll start first. Ready? One. I'm gonna start.
Too?
I'm up. I'll start. I got a spirit. Your turn.
I'm not sure what I got just now.
Okay. Oh my god! I just got the troll blade.
I got a potion.
It's a small potion. I got a black hole. And why did you just mine? You got it again. Okay. Nope.
Food.
I got it. You can have this one. A fishing rod. Just get the fishing rod, Ellie. There. But, okay, she mined everything before me, okay? I got a big pot. Okay. Wait, stop. Slash give a bunny balloon because I stole her balloons. Right there.
Yeah.
Anyways, now let's do this obby, okay? Okay.
Oh no.
Oh! This is scary, bro. Listen up. Oh!
Oops.
Well, she died. Okay,
Ooh,
you got the first few thingy. My turn.
Yeah.
I got a fake bed. Not bad. You got teleported.
Ooh, I got teleported. Yay.
Okay. I see a picture.
Uh,
Wait, I'm gonna put everything in my hotbar. So, okay, my turn. So first I got a fake bed, okay? Actually, okay, let's just organize, okay? I got a sleeping potion. Your turn. She got a coral. My turn. Wait. Rage blade! Let's go.
a key.
Yeah, I am. Can you stop for a minute? I'll take care of this. There. I just mind your clone out. Okay, my turn, right?
You got to clone yourself.
There, peace. Taser. My turn.
I don't know how to use it though. But,
Just
okay.
RPG. That's cool. A fake bed.
Okay.
I got a sleeping potion. Wait! I forgot to give for this. Give Bunny up. Can you come here?
No.
There. You need that. Do the obby. It's like the easiest. Okay, are you ready? I'll start, okay? I want you to do this side. Okay, actually, I'll do that. I'll start first. Okay, you look at what I get. Let's see. What would I get? I got a carrot launcher. Your turn. Mine, okay.
What did I get? I don't know.
Your turn.
Okay.
What do you
This
get? Let's see. Let's see. Cringe alert. Okay, you got I think Trailblade.
Oh yeah.
I actually got that first try, by the way, before.
Oh, what's this? How
Okay,
do you-
my turn.
Oh, it seems cool.
Okay, I got let's see. Please be something good. A Trailblade again. Seriously? Your turn.
My turn.
Oh,
This
yeah.
one.
Yep. Okay, what did she get? Let's see. She got Oh, a paintball gun! I always wanted that. Oh my god, you're
What's
lucky.
this though?
It's a gun. Click on it. Click.
Okay.
Let's go! I got the paintball gun as well. So we're gonna be fighting now because it's late. Come on. Okay, let's get her. Let's get her real quick. Let's get her. Yes, let's go. I'm gonna throw a back hole. Bro, work. Psychopath. Bro, just work, black hole. I'm gonna try to get the bud. Can I? Let's see. Let's get my diamond pickaxe. Now let's chase her. Okay. Oh my god, you're running. Let's go. I need you to die. Oh my god, wait. I have a gun. I have a gun, dude. I have a gun. You're not getting me, okay? Oh, let's go. This gun is insane. I'm just gonna chase her around, literally. Ah! Okay, you know what? Make it easier. Sure, you can run as much as you want, Ellie. You're not still gonna get me. Hopefully you won't. Oh, yes. Let's go. Bro, you survived. How? You're hacking.
I'm not.
I'm just kidding, of course. I'm a unique person, gets. What? You're dead, Ellie. Just run. Okay. I want to kill her. Let's go. Let's get her. Chase her. Hey. Yeah, yaman. Yaman, bro. Let's go. You're not dead yet because you still have the thing. Okay, you can buy anything you want because you're a guest.
I'm probably gonna die.
How much would you rate this challenge out of 10?
Now it's kind of just like a 1v1, and I'm really bad at those. So.
No, but no, just for like the mining the lucky block thingy.
Oh, it was okay, and it was quite fun.
So how much would you rate it?
9.9 out of 10.
Okay, where's the 0.1 gone? I wanna know. Let me ask that.
Well, the obby was hard.
Of course it is. It was actually hard. But it was fun, right?
Yep.
Good then. Okay, I'm just gonna troll her a bit. I love to use this weapon, literally. Okay, I'm kind. You can have the dodo. I gave you the dodo.
Yeah, you can keep it.
No, keep it or I'll kill you.
Are you?
Literally, this is funny. This is fun. Okay, so I guess I'll end the video, but not now because I want to have some more fun. Before I go, guys, let me just say, video hit 15 likes part 2. So hopefully this video will get a lot of views, and yeah, I'm probably gonna kill her before I go. So, and a quick shout out to her, to Ellie. Well, you could follow her TikTok if you would like, but it's up to you. Well, you will see her face, maybe, I'm not sure yet. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, smash.
You better not dare even tell them that what's my TikTok because.
Yeah, for sure, I'll tell them. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. And yeah, if this, you'll give it a 200 subscriber, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Peace out.